Joanne with Broadcast Sunny, and this is day 4 of 4 days of gift giving. Again, you can find the link to the other days in the info cards of this video. So day 4 is a musical instrument for the not so musically inclined or those who don't have time to play a musical instrument. And this is great for a guy or a girl, and it's a ukulele. Or ukulele. I always said a ukulele, but I've heard someone say uku. I don't know which it is. You could tell me below. I'll probably say ukulele. We'll see. So yes, again, great gift for a guy or a girl. I love this because there's only 4 strings. Less stressful than a guitar. It's lightweight and small. It does come in different sizes. You can find YouTube videos about which size you might want. I got the concert size. I like the concert size because I didn't want something dinky. I have fat fingers. And I didn't want too big because I might as well get a guitar then. Also, I wanted something lightweight and small, and I could throw it in the back of the car. My daughter had gotten this one, so I got to hear what a concert one sounded like before I purchased it. I was very lucky, but I also watched some videos. This one is like half the price, more than half the price than this one, at least at the time when she bought it. I did not get one like this. I would have, but it would have been the same exact one, and if you have kids, you'd understand. If you don't have kids, you probably still understand. Ooh. Can't break it, she let me use it. Yeah, and this one was on Etsy. I'll put that in the link too. I like this. It's a beautiful wood and a beautiful design. So anyway, so giving it as a gift, I have been playing this passively, maybe 15-20 minutes a day on the couch while watching the TV. Each evening for maybe a month. You can find lots of YouTube videos on it. I love Corey Teaches Music. She's a great teacher. She tells you what chords you're going to use. She'll show you the chords, what it should sound like, and then she plays it, so you watch her playing it. You have the lyrics there and where the note change should be. She does a great job. I recommend her highly. Also, you can find a ukulele online tuner, so you don't have to get a tuner for it either. I've used that. This one pretty much stays in tune now. Yeah. And yeah, so that's the ukulele. And I really recommend, I forgot who sings it, but Bodysurfing. I'll put that link in the description. They're really good. That's the dream.